we will see how to print alphabet right angle triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern alphabets are aligned in left side. The alphabets are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Along with every alphabet, a space character is appended. So let's see code to execute this pattern. We have already written code to print number triangle pattern. So run this file pytriangle.py. In this code, modify this print statement to print alphabet triangle pattern. Character 65 plus j plus I, which is going to give us alphabet triangle pattern. Run this file in the terminal pytriangle.py. This is our expected right angle triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet right angle triangle pattern.